If your nighttime soundtrack includes more grunts and gasps than a wildlife documentary, you're probably sharing a bed with a snorer. Snoring happens when airflow through your mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep. Think of it like this. When you're awake, air flows smoothly, like water in a calm river. But when you sleep, relaxed muscles in your throat can narrow that river, causing the air to gush and rumble like rapids. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that about 45% of adults snore occasionally? And a baffling 25% are habitual snorers. That's a lot of noisy nights around the globe. But why do some people snore and others don't? Well, factors include age, body weight, and even the anatomy of your mouth and throat. Yep, your biological design could predispose you to be a midnight soloist. So next time the snoring chorus starts up, remember, it's all just part of our fascinating human biology. And maybe invest in some earplugs.